J'ai jamais été aussi heureux de ma vie. Moi, je vous le dis. J'ai appris tout à l'heure. Tout à l'heure, hein. Je vois un tweet, Kendrick, GMX, now drop. Ah, je me dis, ouais, vas-y, ok, il a sorti un son, il a sorti un petit single, vas-y, pourquoi pas. Une heure plus tard, je vois mes DM, je vois Kendrick a drop. Je me dis, bah vas-y, il a drop une musique, je vais lancer là et je vais écouter. Tranquille. C'est pas, je suis en vocal avec Shinny, il me dit, ouais, jure, il y a eu l'album de Kendrick Lamar. Je fais, hein? Je commence à tourner la tête à gauche, à droite, je vais sur Spotify, je vois il y a un album, je saute dans tous les sens, j'ai crié. J'ai crié ici sur ma chaîne, Shinny pourra vous le confirmer, il n'est pas là. J'ai crié. Je suis là. Je suis là. Je suis là. Je suis heureux d'être en vie. 2024. Meilleure année de la musique. Avec ou sans ce tocard de Playboy Carti là, ce musique, I am music, mes couilles là, il peut aller se faire mettre. Il peut aller se faire mettre. Sort en 2025. On n'a pas besoin de toi, ma gueule. On n'a pas besoin de toi, frère. Oh là 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 là. Ah, je suis désolé, je vais pas me faire spoil cet album. Je suis désolé. Déjà, bon, je suis triste, je lui en veux pas. J'ai mis dans ma story que j'allais écouter l'album. Il y a l'américaine de la dernière fois, elle a répondu « Le feat de SZA, ouais !» Non, j'étais là, ok, bon. Désolé, mais tu peux ne pas me spoil. Elle m'a dit « Oh, ok, je suis désolé. » J'ai dit « Bah, ok, si tu t'excuses, tranquille, je t'en veux pas. » Je lui en veux. Je lui en veux de ouf. Ah, je lui en veux de ouf. Ah, mais là, j'ai dit non, tranquille, y a rien. Y a rien. Tu connais, y a pas rien. Ah, y a pas rien du tout. Non, j'ai écouté ça, tranquille. L'album. 12 sons. Tout est écrit en minuscule. Premier son de 5 minutes 17. Hard par 6. Oh là 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 là. Reincarnated. Ça, c'est le snippet au début de Not Like Us dans le clip. Mais je sais en fait. Je suis ce fan de Kendrick Lamar. Merci Black Cyan pour les 5 subgifts. Merci énormément. Les 5 nouvelles personnes qui peuvent écrire dans le chat. Vous pouvez remercier. Je vais augmenter le son. Je vais brancher mon casque au cas où. Parce que j'ai pas envie qu'il y ait de 1. J'ai pas envie qu'il y ait de problème. J'ai monté le son de mon casque au maximum. Ah, non, franchement, je suis trop heureux. Oh là 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 là. Écoutons. Espagnol au début? C'est sombre. Quel genre de sacrifice va y avoir là? C'est le meilleur album de l'histoire. Non, Kendrick l'a fait. Il l'a encore fait. Non. Je vais m'asseoir, il faut que je me calme. Non, il faut que je me calme. Sois tranquille, désolé, je remets, désolé, j'ai interrompu. J'ai les larmes aux yeux. Il a sauvé ma vie déjà.
Yesterday somebody whacked out my mural. Energy will make you niggas move to Europe. But it's regular for me, yeah, that's for sure. The love and hate is definite without a cure. All this talk is bitch made, that's on my lord. I kill them all before I let them kill my joy. I done been through it all, what you endure. It used to be fuck that nigga, but now it's plural. Fuck everybody. That's on my body. My blick first, then God got me. I watch them pander with their backhanded compliments. Put their head on the Cuban link as a monument. I pay homage and I'll always mind my business. I made the I never lost who I am for a rap image.
Par là qui là? Attends, je vais pas te décortiquer tout dès la première écoute. Mais là, il y a quelqu'un qui est censé comprendre quelque chose et j'ai pas compris.
On my body, my blick first, then God got me.
God got
I
me.
watch them pander with them backhanded compliments. Put their head on the Cuban link as a monument. I pay homage and I'll always mind my business. I made the I never lost who I am for a rap image. There's motivation if you wonder how I did it. Yeah, nigga, going up your rank. Know you a god even when they say you ain't. Yeah, nigga, keep your feelings out the way. Never let no one put smut up on your name. Yeah, nigga, keep your head down and work like I do. But understand, everybody ain't go like you. Yeah, nigga, if they say it's love, you been lied to. A couple rules of engagements, I'ma guide you.
Il me parle. Il m'explique.
Riding in my GNX with Anita Baker in the tape deck. It's gonna be a sweet.
C'est quoi une GNX? C'est une voiture? C'est la voiture qu'il y en a là?
Don't acknowledge me, then maybe we can say it's fair. Take it to the internet and I'ma take it there. Miss my uncle Lemaine, he said that he would kill me if I didn't make it. Now I'm possessed by a spirit and they can't take it. Used to bump the Carter 3, I held my rolly chain proud. Irony, I think my hard work let Lil Wayne down. Whatever though, call me crazy, everybody questionable. Turn me to an Eskimo, I drew the line in decimals. Snoop posted tailor-made, I prayed it was the edibles. I couldn't believe it, it was only right for me to let it go. Won a Super Bowl and I'm the only one congratulate me. All these niggas agitated, I'm just glad they shown their faces, quite frankly. Plenty artists, but they outdated. Old ass flows trying to convince me that you they favorite. This is not for lyricists, I swear.
Il parle à Wayne ou je rêve? Je rêve ou il parle à Wayne là? Il a dit t'es trop vieux père. Laisse ça. Arrêtez de faire semblant. C'est ça qu'il est en train de dire.
Turn me to an Eskimo, I drew the line in decimals. Snoop posted tailor-made, I prayed it was the edibles. I couldn't believe it, it was only right for me to let it go.
Snoop là aussi il dit qu'il a posté tailor-made freestyle de Drake. Il a dit ah ça doit être la drogue. Ah non franchement là j'arrive pas à y croire. Il est contre tout le monde là en fait. Ah, là il est en mode antagoniste. Il est en mode antagoniste. Parce que même Snoop West Coast. Yeah. Vas-y toi aussi t'es bizarre. Ok. Non ok. Je suis là pour ça. Et je suis de ton côté Kendrick. Si Kendrick. Mettez le paragraphe là. Mettez le paragraphe avec les supporters là. C'est moi le dernier supporter. C'est que je suis mort s'il n'en a plus. C'est que je suis mort.
I think my hard work let Lil Wayne down. Whatever though, call me crazy, everybody questionable. Turn me to an Eskimo, I drew the line in decimals. Snoop posted tailor-made, I prayed it was the edibles. I couldn't believe it, it was only right for me to let it go. Won a Super Bowl and I'm the only one congratulate me. All these niggas agitated, I'm just glad they shown their faces, quite frankly. Plenty artists, but they outdated. Old ass flows,
outdated. Old ass flows.
This is not for lyricists, I swear it's not the sentiments. Fuck a double entendre, I want y'all to feel this shit. Oh, soul, bitch, I probably built them pyramids. Ducking strays when I rap battled in the Nickersons. Where you from? Not where I'm from. We all indigenous. Against all lies, I scribbled up for them dividends. Against all lies, I showed up as a gentleman. I done lost plenty friends, 16 to be specific. Put that on my kids' children. We gon' see the future first. They like that big trip, and I just want what I deserve. What bridge they done burned? All of them is over with. I'm doing what COVID did. They'll never get over it. Yeah, nigga, going up your rank. Know you a god even when they say you ain't. Yeah, nigga, keep your feelings out the way. Never let no one put smut up on your name. Yeah, nigga, keep your head down and work like I do. But understand, everybody ain't gonna like you. Yeah, nigga, if they say it's love, you been lied to. A couple rules of engagements here to guide you. Niggas from my city couldn't entertain no boy. Promising bank transactions and even Bitcoin. I never piece it up, that shit don't sit well with me. Before I take a truce, I'll take them to hell with me. If that money got in the hands of a crash dummy,
il y a des trucs qui se rajoutent dans la prod.
niggas mad cause I decided not to pretend. Y'all stay politically correct, I'ma do what I did. Ain't no sympathy here, this shit's hilarious. It's a lot of opinions, but no power to carry it. 2025, they still moving on some scary shit. Tell them quit they job and pay the real niggas they severance. Don't insult my intelligence, I'm not just for the television. Teleport the bullets rolling, dig up all my relatives. Okay nigga, let's settle it. These niggas been fake loyal. Since y'all pandering to choose a side, let me do it for you. Okay, fuck your hip-hop. I watch the party just die. Niggas cackling about all of y'all is on trial.
Il aime trop ses poses là.
When I stayed inside of my house, you better off to having one woman. Everything tricky right now. You niggas live in the now. Ain't fuck anybody empathetic to the other side, I vow. A bitch nigga love bitch niggas that exist with them in style. Exterminate them right now. Make Cat Williams and them proud. The truth about to get loud. No juice inside of my cup. I sober up and knock them all off. Don't let no white comedian talk about no black woman as law. I know probably gonna work for them. And fuck whoever that's close to them. The niggas that coon and niggas that being groomed. Slide on both of them. You ever ate Captain Crunch and proceeded to pour water in it? Pulled over by the law. You run dirty so you can't argue with them to make it to be a star. Bear your soul and put your heart up in it. Well, I did. Whack the murals out, but it ain't no legends if my legend ends.
J'ai tout compris. Franchement, l'intro, j'ai tout compris. Franchement, ça, c'est de l'intro qui introduit bien. Il a dit très clairement, pas de double entendre, pas de sous-entendu dans le texte, je ne sais quoi, je vais vous dire comme c'est, je vous baise tous. Le hip-hop, je vous baise aussi. Lil Wayne, il a pas dit je te baise, mais quand même, reste à ta place. Non, il a dit je vous baise tous, vous êtes tous des faux. J'en ai rien à foutre de ce que vous pensez de moi maintenant. C'est parti. C'est parti.
God knows.
Ah, mais du coup... Ah, mais non, c'est pas Reincarnated, le son du snippet. C'est celle-là.
Woke up looking for the broccoli. I keep a horn on me, that could my seat. IP ownership, the blueprint is by me. Mr. Get off, I get off on my feet.
Hein? Hein?
A yee nigga couldn't try me in a tri-state. Buddy pass, but I give him splash till he hydrated. Bounce out, know he spook town, eyes dilated. I got the money and the power, both gyrating. I feel good, get the fuck out my thighs. Look good, but she don't got no ties. I walked in, walked out with the size. Man, don't let me know what the size.
The size.
I feel good, get the fuck out my thighs. Look good, but she don't got no ties. I walked in, walked out with the size. Man, don't let me know what the price. What the fuck? I got hits, I got bucks, I got new paper cuts, I got friends, I got foes, but they all sitting ducks. Hit his turf and get cracking, double back like a deluxe. 50 deep, but it ain't deep enough. Fuck a plate, there you go, beat him.
Franchement, c'est sur ce genre de son que je m'apitoie sur mon sort de Renoir qui ne sait pas danser. Malheureusement, je fais partie de cette team. C'est pas grave. C'est pas grave, hein. On va juste regarder les autres danser sur ça, y a rien. Bouger ma tête, c'est bien assez. Bouger mes locks.
I feel good, get the fuck out my thighs. Look good, but she don't got no ties. I walked in, walked out with the size. Man, don't let me know what the price. Squabble up.
Soul King, moi, c'est pour ça.
Squabble up. Squabble up. Squabble up. Squabble up. Squabble up. Squabble up. Hold up. Where you from?
Where you from?
My bitch. I'm finna go dumb. Sideways. Bunk stomp. Viva. I'm on one. Thunk, 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 baby rockin' it. Quid pro quo, what you want, cause I'm watching it. Broke on the floor, let me know if you clocking it. Brody won't go, but I know that he popping it. It was wolf tickets on sale till I...
Là, je suis en train de me dire, j'écoute ce son, là. J'ai jamais entendu ça de ma vie, déjà, de une. Et de deux, comment est-ce que... T'as capté, vu que je me dis que j'ai jamais entendu ça de ma vie, quelqu'un qui me dit que le rap FR, c'est mieux que le rap US, comment est-ce qu'il réagit à ce genre de son? J'ai bien envie de savoir. J'ai bien envie de savoir ce qui se passe. Parce que ça n'existe pas. On n'a pas. On peut pas manger des trucs comme as, malheureusement, juste en français pur. Du coup, je me demande... Peut-être juste ils aiment pas ça, au final, hein.
Stick. Pipe down, young, these some whole other politics. Bitch with him and some bitch in him, that's a lot of bitch. Don't hit him, he got kids with him, my apologies. Ghetto child, here was Blackie Miles with the Smirnoff. He high, we outside, or they about to kill him off. Blaps on blaps, it's a fact, this a brick or all. Tell me why the fuck you niggas rap if it's fictional. Tell me why the fuck you niggas fed if you criminal. Hey, Dot, can I get a drop? I'm like, nigga, nah. H-Boom, from the west side to Senegal. It's a full moon, let the wolves out, I've been a dog. I feel...
Attends, il a dit Sénégal, là? Est-ce qu'il a dit Sénégal que je sors ma bite en stream, là? Est-ce qu'il a dit Sénégal que je sors ma bite en stream? Il a dit From Westside to Sénégal où je rêve.
If it's fictional, tell me why the fuck you niggas fed if you criminal. Hey, Dot, can I get a drop? I'm like, nigga, nah. H-Bone coon from the west side to Senegal. It's a full moon, let the wolves out, I've been a dog.
Je vais devoir le faire. Je reste calme, à la fin de l'écoute. À la fin de l'écoute. À la fin de l'écoute.
Man, don't let me know what the plan. Squabble up, squabble up. Squabble up, squabble up, squabble up, squabble up, squabble up, squabble up.
Magnifique, 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 magnifique. Mais en fait, je m'attends à quelque chose de magnifique, c'est ça le problème. Tu vois, imaginons, j'écoute, je sais pas, demain j'écoute l'album de Damso, il sort un son comme ça, je mets un trou dans mon mur, tu vois. Mais là, je sais, mais je suis quand même dans le train. Je suis quand même en train d'apprécier ce que j'ai dans les oreilles. La team, juste apprécions le moment. Apprécions ce qu'on est en train d'écouter parce que je glaze d'une façon. Mais oui, je suce et alors? Oui, je suce et alors? Si vous voulez pas sucer, laissez-moi sucer. C'est pas grave, j'ai le droit.
If this world were mine.
Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. Fire, 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 fire. Fire, fire, fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. This a vibe, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya.
Franchement, là j'avais le crâne vide en écoutant l'album. J'avais oublié qu'il pouvait faire des sons comme ça, carrément. J'avais oublié. Je suis désolé que c'est sorti de mon esprit. J'avais oublié, frère.
Let them watch, she a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, flowers grow.
Le feat que je me suis fait spoil.
She only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody, no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything.
J'ai pleuré.
I just wanna see when you wanna see.
If this world were
It
mine.
go in, out, slow. Baby, you was lost.
Chiquita Caso, non.
Close, and I'm with you, everything goes. Come and put that on my soul. Bobby, clown, wrist, froze, check, down, on the way home.
Oh là.
Concrete flowers grow. Hard days, she only doing what she know.
Non, je sais très bien ce qui s'est passé là dans la boîte. Au studio, ils ont mis des potaras. Ils ont mis des potaras. Je sais pas si les hommes et les femmes ils peuvent fusionner comme as, mais ils l'ont fait là devant nos yeux. Dinguerie. Alors là.
Froze, check, down, on the way home. This world, concrete flowers grow. Hard days, she only doing what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody, no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. I just wanna see when you wanna see.
If this world were
I
mine.
can't lie, I trust you, I
C'est magnifique. C'est mon son préféré pour l'instant. C'est magnifique. Magnifique la fusion.
I might even settle down for you. I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends get a
it's coming for sure. I know you're coming for it.
If this world were mine.
Man at the Garden. Ah, wesh. Première note, j'ai cru que c'était la musique Stand By Me. Première note, j'ai cru ça. Mais c'est pas ça en fait. Il pleut? Ok. Il pleut. Je ferme les yeux. Dis-moi plus.
Twice emotional stability, a sound body and tranquility. I deserve it all. Like minds and less enemies. Stock investments, more entities. I deserve it all. VVS's white diamonds, GNX with the seat back reclining. Bitch, I deserve it all.
Tu mérites tout, mon roi. Je te donne tout.
Flying private, what you eat for lunch. I deserve it all. The respect and the accolades. Lamping on the island, watching Castaway. I deserve it all. For every good nigga that passed away, send 2.5 million on the average day. I deserve it all. Keep my name by the world leaders. Keep my crowds loud inside a beast. I deserve it all. More money, more power, more freedom. Everything heaven allowed.
Ah là, il est vraiment en mode, je suis ce gars, je suis cet antagoniste, je suis him, je suis ce roi. Même pas un peu d'humilité, rien. J'aime beaucoup. On a passé cette phase.
By the world leaders, keep my crowds loud inside a beast. I deserve it all. More money, more power, more freedom. Everything heaven allowed us, bitch. I deserve it all. I deserve it all. I deserve it all. My intentions was pure, even when you wasn't sure, even with every allure. How much temptation you endured. You probably look for every cure. I said I deserve it all. I'm waking up at 6 a.m. 6 miles a day, conditioning my wind. I said I deserve it all. I'm showing up as your friend, telling truths better than your next of kin. I said I deserve it all. I never asked for too much credit, seeking validation just for the aesthetics. Bitch, I deserve it all. I see you as a human first, even when you didn't understand your worth. Bitch, I deserve it all. It's innate to mind my business, writing words, trying to elevate these children. That's why I deserve it all. Pray for those who prayed against me. Every reason why my ancestors sent me. Bitch, I deserve it all. I deserve it all. I deserve it all. Put a smile on my mama. Good health and good karma, yeah, she deserves it all. 100 euros out in Compton. Remember me, I kept my promise, yeah, we deserve it all. A better life for my daughter, made my son take it further than his father, yeah, he deserves it all. A close relationship with God, whispered to me every time I close my eyes, he said you deserve it all. Keep these bitch niggas away from me, keep all my blessings faithfully, keep my essence contagious, that's okay with me. I burn this bitch down, don't you play with me and stay with me. I'm crashing out right now, no one's safe with me. I did it with integrity and niggas still try hate on me, just wait and see. More blood be spilling, it's just paint to me, dangerously. Nothing changed with me, still got pain in me. Flip a coin, want the shameless me or the famous me? How annoying does it angers me to know the lames can speak on the origins of the game I breathe? That's the same to me, it's important. I deserve it all because it's mine. Tell me why you think you deserve the greatest of all time, motherfucker.
Oh, intense la fin.
I deserve it all.
C'est donc contrasté avec le plat du reste du son.
I deserve it all.
RLW, merci pour le sub. Non, franchement, je pense juste qu'il a raison, il mérite tout. Je lui donne tout mon être. Ah, tout ce qu'il veut. Utilise-moi comme tu veux, frère. Tout ce que tu veux, ma gueule.
Damn, baby. I like it. say now, mother by my yin. Big face Buddha, get my peace from within. Send the case to all my dirties in the pen. Let the honorary walk for the win, for the win. You crash out, then you better break the backboard. I got friends hoping that they make the tabloids. You know the last one figure, he was Magneto. You play God, you gon' get what you asked for. We got the same 24, what you mad for? I put a square on his back like I'm Jack Dorsey. It's high beams if I make a public appearance. Go back to hiding cause I'm not too friendly with niggas. 1,000, 1,004. The black Noah, I just strangled me a goat. I walked in with a therapeutic flow. Put a few hundred up, let him go, let him go. Hey now, say now.
Moi, ce que je vois dans le son là, je ferme les yeux, je vois un gros lard dans un club de striptease à Miami, dans une pièce privée avec une strippeuse, en train de lui mettre des fessées et de jeter des billets. Moi, c'est ce que je vois, moi. Les couleurs, elles sont roses, un peu rouges, un peu sombres. C'est ce que je vois quand je ferme les yeux. Waouh. Ça va être que le son me donne.
Therapeutic flow, put a few hundred up, let him go, let him go. Hey now, say now. Hey now, say now. Hey now, say now. Hey now, say now. Hey now, say now, mother by my yin. Big face Buddha, get my peace from within. Send the case to all my dirty.
Ouais, vous avez pas la vision. Vous avez pas la même.
Win for the win. Hey now, say now. Hey now, say now. Hey now, say now. Hey now, say now. Hey now, say now, I done slid on they back street. Heavy on the Parmesan, everyday tax season. What the fuck you wearing, bro? It's tacky. Niggas laying on their deathbed trying to match me. Oh my god, I'm about to do the fool. They be screaming out P, but they resume is boof. Switch both lanes, the engine sound like the zoo. Need a fee just to breathe, bitch. I can talk to you. It's the Ben Frank murderer. Mister, I ain't heard of ya. Guard streets, back to back, flying through turbulence. Free lunch, craft services. Throw your ass out this rental if I smell nervousness. Hey now, say now, let me pop my shit. Water down my wrist, I'm around my bitch. It's a green light, don't get out of bounds, I'm a blitz. It's a bird, it's a plane, no, it's all blue strips, nigga. What? Hey now, say now. Hey now, say now. Hey now, say now. Hey now, say now.
I'm way too important. I'm way too important. I'm way too important to ever let you slide on me again.
Mais son ego, il est énorme. Hein. Jamais vu un ego pareil. Et il fait vraiment cet album. Bon, il l'avait dit, hein. SO à la West Coast. Bah voilà, on le sent dans l'album là. On le sent dans l'album.
Hey now, say now.
I'm way too important. I'm way too important. I'm way too important to ever let you slide on me again.
Starting to see spaceships on Rosecrans. I think the aliens hold hands. They wanna see me do my dance. I let them watch me do my dance.
Who the fuck I feel like Joker. Harley Quinn up in the cut with a blower.
Ice shit get spooky 8th day in October. My torpedo.
Un passe-passe encore.
Smokers.
She mean mugging niggas dirty too important. If they talking about playing ball, me and my team gon' get the scoring.
If they talking about playing ball, they could take it up with Jordan. It's bald heads in the heckler for all endorsements.
Hitty, mighty mom tryna tag a nigga toe. I'm aggressive on the beat.
C'est qui le rappeur, elle va pas reconnaître.
Hey, I tatted up my body at the pin level 4. Hey, I sharpened up a knife and came home to a blow. My bitch can get to tweaking like she playing with her nose. Lil' Brody about to crash, my young niggas be on go. I'm a different type of trophy, baby girl.
Respect. Ça ramène des chippes sur l'album.
Bitches acting like some niggas acting like some hoes. Hey, I jumped out that pen, then I jumped up in the ghost. I'm the hottest topic, nigga, see my face, then he froze. All that shit he was talking, found dirty, not that bold. Okay, this shit like 40, that's a double, okay, let's add it up. Baby ass fat, can you do it, can you back it up? Kick flip a nigga, I got tech decks. And it ain't shit for me to call to get your chin checked. Tell him Dodie did that.
On lui a dit, chef, t'es sur l'album de Kendrick Lamar, là, il faut que tu te tues. Il a réécrit son couplet 8000 fois, hein. Ah, vraiment, c'était le couplet pour toute sa vie, là. Ça, c'était le couplet le plus important. Non, franchement, respect. Non, respect. Reincarnated, j'ai entendu de l'espagnol, là, dès le début. Je comprends pas l'espagnol, je sais pas ce qu'elles disent depuis le début, les meufs, là.
Concentrate Separated thoughts on who I used to be, I'm shedding skin. Every day a new version of me, a third of me demented, cemented in pain, juggling the pros and cons of fame. I don't know how to make friends, I'm a lonely soul. I recollect this isolation, I was 4 years old. Truth be told, I've been battling myself, trying to navigate the real and fake, cynical about the judgment day. I did past life progression last year and it fucked me up. Reincarnated on this earth for 100 plus. Body after body, lesson after lesson. Let's take it back to Michigan in 1947.
Il en a beaucoup sur le cœur. Alors là, il en a beaucoup sur le cœur. Chef, je rewind un peu. Je rewind un peu pour bien écouter. Il en a beaucoup sur le cœur. Tranquille.
Recollect this isolation, I was 4 years old. Truth be told, I've been battling myself, trying to navigate the real and fake, cynical about the judgment day. I did past life progression last year and it fucked me up. Reincarnated on this earth for 100 plus. Body after body, lesson after lesson. Let's take it back to Michigan in 1947. My father kicked me out the house cause I wouldn't listen to him. I didn't care about his influence, only loved what I was doing. Gifted as a musician, I play guitar on the grand level. The most talented where I'm from, but I had to rebel. And so I'm off in the sunset, searching for my place in the world. With my guitar up on my hip, that's the story unfurled. I found myself with a pocket full of money and a whole lot of respect. While the record business loved me, I was head of rhythm and blues. The women that fell to their feet, so many to choose. But I manipulated power as I lied to the masses. Died with my money, gluttony was too attractive. Reincarnated.
Alors là, jamais vu quelqu'un personnellement poser sur un instru comme ça. Personnellement. Après, peut-être que c'est ma culture musicale limitée. Mais putain. Speak, peu importe le son. Mais là, surtout, dès le début, je m'attendais pas à entendre un truc comme ça, là. C'est un sample de Tupac. Quels sont?
As a black woman in the chitlin circuit, seductive vocalist as the promoter hit the curtains. My voice was angelic, straight from heaven. The crowd sobbed. A musical genius, what the articles emphasized. Had everything I wanted, but I couldn't escape addiction. Heroin needles had me in fetal position restricted. Turned on my family, I went wherever cameras be. Cocaine, no private planes for my insanity. Self-indulged, discipline never been my sentiments. I needed drugs. To me, an 8-ball was like penicillin. Fuck love. My happiness was in that brown sugar. Sex and melodies gave me hope when nobody's looking. My first assistant was a small town scholar. Never did a quaalude till I got myself around her. My daddy looked the other way, he saw sin in me. I died with syringes pinched in me. Reincarnated.
Alors, mais vraiment, il en a gros sur la patate, hein. Longtemps j'ai pas entendu aussi vénère. La guitare.
My instincts sent material straight to the charts. My father kicked me out the house, I finally forgive him. I'm old enough to understand the way I was living. Ego and pride had me looking at him with resentment. I close my eyes, hoping that I don't come off contentious. I'm yelling, Father, did I finally get it right? Everything I did was self.
L'instru qui monte en même temps qu'il accepte, en même temps qu'il grandit. Donc il pardonne son daron.
My present life is Kendrick Lamar, a rapper looking at the lyrics to keep you in awe. The only factor I respected was raising the bar. My instincts sent material straight to the charts. My father kicked me out the house, I finally forgive him. I'm old enough to understand the way I was living. Ego and pride had me looking at him with resentment. I close my eyes, hoping that I don't come off contentious. I'm yelling, Father, did I finally get it right? Everything I did was selfless. I spoke freely when the people needed me, I helped them. I didn't gloat, even told them no when the vultures came. Took control of my fleshly body when the money changed.
Son, you do well, but your heart is closed. I can tell residue that linger from your past creates itself.
Father, I'm not perfect, I got urges, but I hold them down.
But your pride has to die.
Okay, Father, show me how.
Tell me every deed that you done and what you do it for.
I kept 100 institutions paid.
Okay, tell me more.
I put 100 hoods on one stage.
Okay, tell me more.
I'm trying to push peace in LA.
But you love war.
No, I don't.
Oh, yes, you do.
Okay, then tell me the truth.
Et Carré là, il parle à Dieu, c'est ça? C'est ce que je comprends.
How can they forgive when there's no forgiveness in your heart?
I could tell you where I'm going.
I could tell you who you are. You fell out of heaven cause you was anxious. Didn't like authority, only searched to be heinous. Isaiah 14 was the only thing that was prevalent. greatest music director was you. It was colors, it was pinks, it was reds, it was blues, it was harmony and motion. I sent you down to earth cause you was broken. Rehabilitation, not psychosis, but now we here now. Centuries you manipulated man with music. Embodied you as superstars to see how you moving. You came a long way from garnishing evilish views.
And all I ever wanted from you was love and approval. I learned a lot, no more putting these people in fear. The more that word is diminished, the more it's not real. The more light that I can capture, the more I can feel. I'm using words for inspiration as an ideal.
So can you promise that you won't take your gifts for granted?
I promise that I use my gifts to bring understanding.
For heavy man, woman, and child, how much can you vow?
I found my life just to live one in harmony now.
You crushed a lot of people, keeping their thoughts in captivity.
And I'm ashamed that I ever created that enemy.
And let's rejoice where we at.
I rewrote the devil's story just to take our power back. Carnated.
Puissant ce son. Puissant ce son. Surtout la deuxième partie là. Quand il commence, quand la guitare elle vient là. Quand la guitare elle vient, comme j'en ai parlé tout à l'heure, j'ai mis pause au même endroit. Vous pouvez faire retour si vous êtes sur le YouTube, sinon... surtout, je vous avais compris de toute façon. Très puissant. Alors là... Bon, déjà, avec le nom Rien de Carnelé, je voyais où il voulait venir quand même, mais bon. Azuki, merci pour le prime. TV off.
All I ever wanted was a black grand national. Fuck being rational, give them what they asked for. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough.
I get on their ass. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I make them niggas mad. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G pad. Yeah, watch a nigga do it.
We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What? They like what he own. This the Alpha and Omega, bitch. Welcome home. This is not a song. This is a revelation. How to get a nigga gone.
Need you a man, baby. I don't understand, baby. Pay your bill and make you feel protected like I can.
J'ai appelé King Chris pour venir danser là. Parce que moi je vais pas le faire.
Don't put your life in
ça casse ça lui.
It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough.
I get on their ass. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I make them niggas mad. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G pad. Yeah, watch a nigga do it.
We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What? Hey, turn this TV off. Ain't with my type activities, then don't you get involved. Hey, what? How many shit I seen? Send them all. Take a risk or take a trip. You know I'm tripping for my dog. Who you with? Couple sergeants and lieutenants for the get back. This revolution been televised. I fell through with the knickknacks. Hey, young nigga, get your chili up. Yeah, I meant that. Hey, black out if they act out. Yeah, I did that. Hey, what's up, though? I hate a bitch that's hating on a bitch, and they both hoes. I hate a nigga hating on them niggas, and they both broke. If you ain't coming for no chili, what you come for? Nigga feel like he entitled, cause he knew me since a kid. Bitch, I cut my granny off and she don't see it how I see it. Got a big mouth, but he lack big ideas. Send him to the moon, that's just how I feel, yelling. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough.
Non, fuck, il y a un truc comme ça, Baby Kim est arrivé. Là, je pense pas, mais quand même. Madame. C'est quel genre de cri? On a compris qu'il y avait Mustard on the beat. On a... Wesh.
But he lack big ideas, send him to the moon, that's just how I feel, yelling. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. Hey. Hey.
Madonna B, huh?
Niggas acting bad, but somebody gotta do it. Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody gotta do it. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. 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 Ain't no other king in this rap thing, they siblings. Nothing but my children. One shot, they disappearing. I'm in a city with a flag be getting thrown like it was pass interference. Padlock around the building. Crash pulling up an unmarked truck just to play freeze tag. With a bone to pick like it was sea bass. So when I made it out, I made about 50K from a show. Trying to show niggas the ropes before they hung from a rope. I'm prophetic. They only talk about it, how I get it. Only good for saving face, seen the cosmetics. How many heads I gotta take to level my aesthetics? Hurry up and get your muscle up. We up the plyometric. Nigga ran up out of luck soon as I up the highest metric. The city just made it sweet, you could diabetic. They mouth get full of deceit, let these cowards tell it. Walk in New Orleans with the etiquette of LA yelling.
Là, il a pas accordé du Super Bowl. Je veux pas lâcher ça. Après, il a dit j'arrive au Nouvelle-Orléans avec le swag d'LA. Enfin, il fait un Super Bowl, hein, c'est pas rien. C'est qui ça? Du gros son aussi. Mais ça bouge tellement, c'est tellement dansant pour un album de Kendrick. Il y a eu 2-3 sons, t'as capté. Reincarnated, Luther, Vazal Moral qui étaient plus, moins... Bah c'était les seuls qui étaient pas aussi dansants que ça, en fait. Tout le reste, tu peux cripple dessus, hein. C'est dingue. Quand on dit qu'il peut tout faire. Et là, il a sorti un son qui s'appelle Dodger Blue. Des sons à mettre en pleine voiture, été, sur des côtés de route, des bords de route.
White diamonds, 2 a.m. she wildin'. Bitches sick, got they stomach in her comments. What school you went to? Gardena Compton. Westchester, King True, till we function. Little nigga, but that dog gave me that's on pup. On my kids, I sock you niggas up. How you ever took a fade and ran 3 more back to back? Oh, you haven't? Then shut the fuck up and keep it rap. Bitch, I'm from the land. Don't say you hate LA when you don't travel past the 10. Am I tripping? Yes, I am. Meditate over some money. I see Franklin, I find Van. Bitch, I'm from the land. Don't say you hate LA, but live in LA and pretend. My neck on Tarantino, Alejandro Spike Lee. Just know you took the scenic route if you stand by me, stupid.
So fly in this bitch. 50 on me, don't die trying and shit. You know I'm up or down when I slide in this bitch. Beamers and the jets outside in this bitch. West side, get the money, yeah, that's for sure. Streets don't love you, better respect the code. Ain't no sleeping in on Sunday. If it's about the money, then my niggas on go.
When I walk in, low, yeah, break neck. It's unanimous, high pop shit.
When I walk in, hoes better get in check. You looking at a bad bitch, nothing less.
C'est qui ça aussi? Non, franchement, ça me donne envie de bombarder. Cette musique me donne envie de bombarder. J'ai pas le permis, j'ai pas le code. Mais malheureusement, je vais devoir péter une voiture pour le faire. Hein. Devoir péter une voiture pour le faire. Hein. Bordel, je suis apte. Juste conduire pour conduire. Permis ou pas, je vais me tuer. Je vais y aller. Oh. J'aime trop ce genre de son en plus. Bien foutu, hein. Picaboo. Mais en fait, c'est un album pour danser jusqu'à avoir des crampes.
Look. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. Aye. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. Pickable, I just put them bookers in my chain. Pickable, 80 pointers like a Kobe game. Pickable, 7.62s will make them plank. Pickable, popping out, you better not smell my name. Pickable, put 2 foreigns on the 405. Pickable, Kashi Pepper if I'm doing pasta. Pickable, why you acting tough on IG Live? Pickable, you know my little niggas off they rocker. Pickable.
Pickable. Surprise, bitch, it's that nigga chicken cheese. Pickable. Let me FaceTime my op, bitch, I'm up the street. Pickable. It's AGs, I'm putting something to sleep. Pickable. He on the ground, I praise God and start stumping feet. Pickable. I put 10 on his face, bitch, my shooter playing. Pickable. I hit it from the back, I told her move her hands. Pickable. Then slide my thumb in where her at. Pickable. On your top, I'm with that bitch, don't look back.
What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. Hey, that's my bitch. Hey, that's my bitch. Hey, with all that fake shit. Hey, ain't the one to play with. Hey. Pull off in a lamb, double pocket all that tams. Mister, get off on your mans. If he hate you disrespect, you better follow up with hands. Losses to the neck, but now I'm trophied up. I'm saying like, bing, bop, boom, 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 bop.
C'est quoi tous ces bruits de nez là?
You wouldn't understand. The type of skits I'm on, you wouldn't understand. Big dog business, I would not hold your hand.
Broke bitch business, I cannot be your man. Never got his ass whooping till we open up that can. Damn, alley hoop me bands, I'm a slam. Jam freak bitch, I like my Mac touching yams. Petty option around me, I'm
Et tous ceux qui y a dans l'Allemagne depuis le début, je connais que César. Hein. C'est un peu chill aussi. C'est qui? Je connais pas.
What they talking about? They talking about nothing. What they talking about? They talking about nothing. What they talking about? They talking about nothing. What they talking about?
Ah, c'est le même que tout à l'heure. Moi, c'est son fils. Pourquoi il est deux fois dans l'album?
What they talking about? They talking about nothing. 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 They ain't talking about nothing. Pickable.
Hard par 6. 5 minutes. Deuxième son le plus long. Alors là, il va en dire des trucs. Hein. Alors là...
Load up the Pro Tools and press 3. Studio filled with Jack in the Box and Pepsis. Niggas watching Warstar videos, not the SBs. Laughing at B-Pump or stomach turning. I get up and proceeded to write some. Absol in the corner, mumbling raps. Fumbling packs of Blackie Mouse. Crumbling Kush till he cracked a smile. His words legendary, wishing I could rhyme like him. Studied this style to define my pen. That was back when the only goal was to get J-Rock through the door. Warner Brother Records, hope Naeem Ali would let us know. Was excited just to go to them label meetings. Wasn't my record deal, but still I couldn't believe it. Me and Rock inside the booth hibernating. It was simple math. If he made it, that mean I made it. Everything I had was for the team. I remained patient, grinding with my brothers. It was us against them, no one above us. Bless our hearts.
Il est nostalgique un peu là. Ça s'entend aussi dans la musique. Mais tout ce qu'il dit, il est très nostalgique. Moi, je l'ai dit, je le redis et je vais le redire autant de fois qu'il faut. Les combos rappeurs sur les couplets et chanteuses dans le refrain, c'est intouchable. C'est intouchable. Et celui qui me l'a fait capter en plus, c'était lui sur Now or Never dans Good Kid, Mad City. Je me dis, mais wesh, il y a vraiment... Là, il y a quelque chose, là.
My nigga Dave had a champagne Acura, a bunch of instrumentals I freestyled in the passenger. That nigga wore several hats, a producer, manager, director, and DJ. A hi-hat, squabbling bloods, pyrus, and keyways. For this little thing of ours we call TDE, I watch him take some penitentiary chances to say the least. Remember in the county building with mixed by Ali, we tried to freak the system just to make a couple ends meet. That's my nigga for sure. He brought Q over, but Q didn't rap, but he learned from our inspo. We split Louisiana chicken riverboat special, sleeping next to O2 our consoles to be our refuge. He was homeless and I left home. Q said, Dot, you won't be slept on, you the nigga to bet on. Top had given us dominion in the home he lived in, hoping that we see some millions. God bless our hearts. play Phil Jackson in my
Mon visage, il est crispé, j'ai mal. Depuis, je fais des têtes.
practices, strategies on how to be great.
Faut que je
Amongst the
détende un peu là.
averages, I picked his brain on what was ordained. Highly collaborative, rep pushed the label the same. Amongst the savages, Moose kept my name in the function that he was running. Keys kept the vultures away from me that was coming. Soundwave let me borrow his clothes for shows as a hype man. They cook up in his room till the night ends. Time flies, I'm carrying debates of a top 5. Burying my ops and allies, but I done a half job communicating feelings of being stagnant. Life was getting bigger than just rapping. The business, what I was lacking. Top used to record me back when it was poor me. And now we at the round table for what assures me. I guess my motivation was the yearning for independence. Poured everything I had left in the family business. Now it's about Kendrick. I wanna evolve. Place my skill set as a black exec. I jog. My memory knowing black hippie didn't work cause of me. Creatively, I moved on with new concepts in reach. Top, remember Harlem sessions? We would strategize, then hit the streets, then come back, record 3 records. To tell the truth, it fucked me up when D-Man passed. The motive was the condolences, but the pride crashed. I had to bypass old mythologies I had. Put my heart on display like it was an iMac. To how my young niggas let me be the demonstration. How to conduct differences with a healthy conversation. If that's your family, then handle it as such. Don't let the socials gas you up, but let emotions be your crush. Pick up the phone and bust it up before the history is lost. Hand to hand shake is good when you have a heart to.
Un dernier refrain. 5 minutes, le son, il est... Tu te fais pas chier, ouais. Hein. Franchement, 5 minutes. Rempli de bout en bout, pas de fil, rien. Ça glisse. Ouais, bah oui. Ouais. Mais nous un peu de à la fin. Bien sûr, bah, tu es en contrôle, tu fais ce que tu veux. T'es en contrôle, tu fais ce que tu veux. GNX, éponyme.
Tell him Kendrick did it. Hey, who showed you how to run a blitz? Tell him Kendrick did it. Who put the West back in front of shit? Tell him Kendrick did it. Hey, I'm tripping and I'm loving it. Tell him Kendrick did it. Like, why? Hi, have you ever been a joint and you know it? Have you ever had to flip your unemployment? On the dead guys, nigga, I ain't going.
Hey, on the dead ones. We'll treat an enemy like some breadcrumbs. All of my killers on go like who shed some red rum. All I think about when I see heads come. Do my dance, hit the top when I see ops go. Let them claim it, we the ones who really pop, bro. Gon' televise it, we the one who land chops, blow ops. No, let them piss them off and it's a flop show. Murder man, singing murder music off a murder van. Beat the pushy up like I've been celebrating, now murder saying who was in. One and only shot and known as murder man. Catch him doing dirty, it's no other way but murder plans. I broke it hard and you the type to go and fix it.
Tiens,
speak if you ain't talking about no tickets.
Dis-moi.
Bougie with it, but I might just let you kiss it. Hit they block with diamonds on me, you could tell them Peso did it. Tell them Peso did it.
Hey, who showed you how to run a blitz?
Tell them Peso did it.
Who put the West back in front of shit?
Lui encore le couplet de sa vie, frère. Des gens de son nouveau... Comment le nom déjà? Putain, j'ai oublié.
Have you ever had to flip your unemployment? On the dead guys, nigga, I ain't going.
How about suicide doors just to hit them, man? You don't wanna see them doors sliding on the caravan. I know killers who was catching bodies in our one phase.
I was 13 up at Avalon, popping chains.
14, ride mini bikes with some dead friends. 21, flag on my head like a Taliban. 25, feeling like the box, it was full of sand. At the cemetery, fucked up, that's where I could've been. 142nd, I'm connected like I'm Rosecrans. Kind of shit I seen.
Vas-y, plus tard. Je dois d'abord finir ça.
Sacrifices like a boxing ring, can't throw in a towel. Pistol packets, it's a child. Hey, like it's Iraq, shooting aim, Hussein, riding with the dirty blicky, switchy, make a new flame. She said I've been a dog all my life, baking you change. True to my religion, Cuban links more than 2 chains. Tell him Hitter did it.
Hey, who showed you how to run a blitz?
Tell him Hitter did it.
Who put the West back in
front
of
il s'appelle.
Tell him Hitter did it.
Hey, I'm tripping and I'm loving it.
It's getting down to the wire. Get on my body, build the shit. Get down with the pliers. Been coming back to back hits. Hottest nigga ain't tired. I'm with some rock star bitches. They want Lizzie McGuire. I'm switching gears, I pop the clutch. I send a nigga up, a risk taker, I call you niggas bluff. If they hanging out for real, we come to duck. Tucking tails, they out of luck. When it's wartime, they hiding in the cut. Y'all had y'all chance, y'all couldn't do it. I swear I'm coming worse to y'all baby moms, I'm putting niggas through it. They hate to see me doing it. Meal ticket, I'm pursuing it. I'm in the field for real, UCLA Bruins. They asking how I do it, how young niggas so fluent. I kept my mouth closed and I ain't never leave no witness. DOA up on the scene, tell them Young Thread did it, nigga.
Bon, je vais pas parler de sa voix parce qu'on va me dire c'est... Il a une ses voix de fou. Comment il est... Comme As sans instro, il parle à mon âme directement, ça passe pas par mes oreilles. Bon, j'ai un peu moins aimé sa partie que les autres, mais c'était quand même la proposition, waouh. Gloria, c'est le dernier son, pas CSC. Je suis en train de lire le chat en même temps. Gloria, écoutons bien. Ah, le son il commence même pas dès qu'il commence. Alors là, impossible de lire le cheat sélectionné. Tu te fous de ma gueule ou quoi? Ok, c'est bon. L'espagnol de retour. Oh là 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 là.
Me and my bitch got a complicated relationship. She's so controlling, I notice it ain't no playing with her. I met her when I was off the porch as a teenager. She said one day I would write my wrongs in seed paper. We started off young, looking for some identity. Made 1,000 mistakes, but never did we like chemistry. Wrapping my hand around your waist, that was back when you did whatever I say. Dreams of selling narcotic, running block or robbing banks. I was in love with you, didn't know what it was with you. Kiss you in back of the class just to get a buzz with you. Some niggas
Gloria, c'est le nom de sa meuf. Enfin, de sa meuf, de sa femme, la mère de ses enfants.
Remember when Granny died? You looked at me and said, baby, dry your eyes. Depend on me as your relief. Let your anger be mine. We was locked in ever since then. Okay. So territorial, he even took me away from my friends.
Elle revient à la fin. Respect. Ah, respect.
See other people if I didn't grow with you. When no more holding them pistols in front of stores with you. You want reality, not tragedy, for sure I get you. To tell the truth, I've been getting used to what open-minded people do. In 2014, I went to Africa, baby, you was my passenger. My eyes and ears for all it is, the neighborhood that baffled us. Of course I had to rap it.
Je sais pas quels sont ces noms préférés au final. Là, je suis en train de me rendre compte, je sais pas. Nigga, what? Ah, ça daronne du coup?
Then fall right back and love the very moment that I touch you.
Lui-même, il sait, je vous ai dit, les feats rappeurs sur les couplets, femmes sur les refrains, c'est...
Spontaneous firecracker, plus our love is dangerous. Life of passion, laughing at you, lose your temper, slightly crashing, dumbing off the ill reaction. Ain't no disrespect, highly sensitive, possessed, so protect you even when it's tragic. So jealous, hate it when I hit the club to get some bitches. Wrote them off, rather see me hit the church and get religious. Who you fooling? I know what you doing. You my contradiction. Remember when you caught that body and still wiggle through that sentence? Loved you more when you flip and lose your shit. I hug you more, it's sexy to me. Cuss they ass out and hold that grudge some more. Down, bitch, I know your favorite movie. Is it Notebook? So good. If they all sub me, get them all booked. My baby boo, you either heal niggas or you kill niggas. Both is true. It takes some tough skin just to deal with you. Logical explanation don't exist. Flipping pages, chapter after chapter. Probably remarry and head to Vegas. Bitches getting marked out. They can't erase our history. They margins ain't big enough. enough. They all led by bigotry. My woman in my right hand, my saint and my sin. Ain't no bitch like my bitch, cause that bitch been my pen.
C'est ça! Il est où mon pull Cisa? Je vais le ramener tout de suite. Les fins comme ça, j'aime trop. Merci de nous laisser un peu de prod. Je vais pas poser dessus, mais merci de nous laisser de la prod. Je veux dire, à part musique. Musique, hein. Respect éternel, hein. Je like tous les sons. Bah, je like tous les sons. Bah oui, logique. Je vais pas like dans ce sens-là, par contre. Je vais like dans l'autre sens, comme ça. Je connais, dans les cheats likés, ça va se mettre dans l'ordre. Que ça met le plus récent en premier. Je sais pas c'est lequel mon son préféré, je peux pas mentir. Et en plus de ça, l'album, j'ai vu que c'est un album de Kendrick Lamar. Je sais que première écoute, c'est la moins bonne. Donc, je vais kiffer de plus en plus. Dans 2 semaines, 1 ou 2 semaines, j'aimerais faire un verdict final. J'aimerais faire un verdict final sur à quel point je l'ai apprécié ou pas. Ils peuvent avoir droit. Ouais, ils voient skip, laissez-nous tranquilles. Laissez-nous profiter de la musique. Laissez-nous profiter de la musique. Je suis essoufflé carrément. Mon visage, il est serré. Il est serré. J'ai des crampes au visage. J'ai des rictus. Alors, il sort un album comme ça. 2 semaines avant, il y a eu Thaler aussi. Plus tôt dans l'année, il y a eu son beef avec Drake. Plus tôt dans l'année, il y a eu les singles de Carti. Il y a eu Schoolboy. Il y a eu tellement de musique cette année. Il y a eu Lil Yachty, il y a eu Hit, pour ceux qui veulent.
D-Bazosuka Gifted attire un sub to Ovel 444. They have given 77 gift subs in the channel.
Merci énormément pour le sub gift. Merci énormément pour le sub gift. Non, franchement, méchant ce qu'il a proposé sur l'album. J'ai apprécié le moment que j'ai passé. Il y a eu BDLM. Ouais. Il y a eu Damso. J'ai pas écouté. Mais... franchement, cinéma. Cinéma, musique. 2024, musique. Enlevez le s'abonner. Bah oui, enlevez le s'abonner, c'est bon. Vous pouvez enlever le s'abonner. Que les non-subs puissent s'exprimer. T'as écouté la vidéo d'annonce qui va avec l'album? Quelle vidéo d'annonce? Une vidéo d'annonce? Et quoi? The Hard Part 6 tellement meilleure que celle de Drake. J'avais oublié qu'il avait sorti un The Hard Part 6. Quelle vidéo? Ça là? Il y a encore du son, c'est pas fini! Only thing matter right now is living right now and I can't spare no feelings. Quiet on set but my aura loud, I navigate through hood shit and wisdom. Il va sortir Mr. Moral and the Big Steppers, il va sortir une deuxième phase. Comme sur Mr. Moral, va y avoir deux disques. Je me rappelle, disque 1, disque 2. Vraiment disque 3, je savais pas que ça était considéré comme ça. Je vais m'acheter une GNX, hein. C'est décidé. Ça va être ma...
Reincarnated with love. My Gemini twin back powering up. No more handshakes and hugs. The energy
Ferme ma gueule, désolé, j'écoute.
Everybody must be judged. But this time God only favoring us. 20 years in, still got that pen dedicated to bare hard truth. The headache can speak with a vigilant tongue. The predicate this time is fuck you. I'm carrying heavier hearts right now. I could power live for the Olympians too. I'm carrying various darts right now. I desert this bitch like tiramisu. See, we go body for body. I hand you a body. I'm probably a better masseuse. I really don't bother nobody, but they running by me if I gotta clear out the...
Ah, wesh! Non! Non, tu peux pas sortir ça, t'as arrêté sur ça. J'attends l'autre album. J'attends l'autre album, ma gueule. Je vais venir à LA. Équipe, pas équipe. Blood, Crips, je sais pas quoi. Je vais venir t'attraper, moi. Wesh. Non, merci à la musique. Gros SO à la musique. Gros SO à la musique. Merci à elle d'être là dans nos vies de tous les jours. Hein. Franchement, merci. Hein. Merci à Kendrick Lamar aussi de faire de la bonne musique. De la bonne, grosse musique. Et... Transition, on ne peut plus que brutal, vu que Doga m'a DM est venu tout à l'heure. Attends. Ah là là là. Top 3 sons. Je sais pas. Les 3 sons que je préfère, Luther, The Hard Park 6 et Gloria. Les 3 sons que je préfère. Je pense. Ouais. En plus, c'est tous dans la même vibe, en fait, les 3 que je viens de dire. Les 3, c'est la même chose, en fait. À chaque fois, c'est fit une meuf. Et bah ouais, j'aime bien. Hein. Écoute, c'est mon truc. C'est mon truc, hein.